Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, I'm going to show you guys how to make this beautiful tag that I have here. I love, 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 love how this tag turned out. So beautiful. It's so girly and it's just perfect. I think this tag is just such a gorgeous, beautiful look. I love it. And so I want to show you how I made it. This beautiful lady is standing here in a little corner with this gorgeous like Halloween outfit. I love her bun with a cute little bow. I love her shoes. I love her outfit, her little dress. Even the dress has like a little tiny spider right there. So cute, so cute. So let's make this tag together. Super easy. I went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up a few of these really fun greeting cards. I really love the image in front of the card. This really drew my attention and I grabbed a few of these. Now what I did was I fuzzy cut the lady in front of the card. This is another one that I fuzzy cut, which is this one right here. I fuzzy cut this and we're going to create a nice little tag once we fuzzy cut the beautiful lady in front of the greeting card. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we're going to put this like this. We're going to fuzzy cut the front of the card. Now don't go crazy fuzzy cutting, guys. Okay, I'm just going to cut her out. We're going to use this quote on another project that we're going to do. I'm going to put this on the side because I want to use that. I want to use this moon and I'm going to show you guys in a little bit how we're going to use the moon. So for now, let's just cut out this gorgeous sparkly moon. And put that on the side. And this here, we're going to also use, we're going to put this on the side. All right, let's concentrate on the beautiful lady. Fuzzy cut her, don't go crazy. As you can see here, I am not going crazy. I am not being like exact. I'm just going around her, giving myself a little bit of a border and just going around her shape. That is literally all I am doing. As you can see there. You don't have to be exact, guys. You don't have to do this perfect. As you can see there, I am just going around and I am not cutting this perfect. I'm just following her image. Literally, that's all. Okay. Voila. There you go. You see how easy that was? Super duper easy. All right. Now we have our cut. Beautiful. Now, for the card, for the tag that I have here, I made a little border down here, which I thought it was really pretty. This little one right here with the star, that's the one that I cut out. That's part of the greeting card. We're going to cut this out and just make a nice little straight line. Okay. And now I have this paper that I want to make the tag out of. I don't remember what this paper, oh yes I do. I think this paper is from, let me see, from this pad right here called Mystic Moon. This is from Michaels. It's actually this paper right here. All right. And what I did is I am going to make a tag out of this paper. So I have here my tag that I'm using, this one right here. So I'm just going to kind of use this as a guideline. All right. And I'm just going to basically just cut my tag. Again, I'm not doing it any specific color, any specific size. I'm just cutting right there. Boom, that's my tag right there. So I'm going to use this as a guide to give me the little edge that we have here, okay, the little corners. So I'm just going to match it to it and just chop off the corners. And that's going to give it a nice little tag shape. All right. Now, she's going to go right here in this little corner. But before we do that, we're going to add some little borders down here, which I did here. I have this extra paper from another project that I have. I want to add that right in the bottom. And I want to add the little stripe that we just did right over that, okay? Before we glue this down, I want to put some dimensions on the back. So we're going to do that. I have here some dimensions. And we're going to add that to the back of the little border. Okay. And I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue on the back. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this at the bottom of my tag. Let's add a little bit of hot glue. Okay. Roughly right there. And then I'm going to add the little stripe with the little stars right on top of that, okay? For this one, I want to use double-sided tape, and I don't have it with me. Hold on, let me reach for it. All right, I'm going to use double-sided tape for that. And we're going to add that right in the center, all right? I might want to cut it a little bit, but I don't want to cut the stars. So maybe I'll cut it from this side. Just a little bit more. I'm going to trim it just a tad. There you go. Okay, perfect. I'm going to add that right here. And that's just going to give it a nice little border. So when we add our beautiful, gorgeous lady right on top, it just looks really pretty, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my beautiful lady, but I need to put dimensions on the back of her because she is not going to be very steady. So we need to definitely add some dimensions on the back. So I'm going to do that now. So she can look nicely lifted. All right. On this side, I'm going to add dimensions, but I'm going to cut the dimensions in half so then I can fit it on this area right here. Okay, there we go. I'm going to add her right there, and that's going to give her a nice little lift, right? All right, let's peel these backings off. I love how this tag turned out. I'm going to be gifting these tags to the girls at work, and I am super excited to show them this tag. All right, so the hardest part about this project is peeling the back off this dimensional double-sided tape, but it's not so bad. Okay, well, let's add the beautiful lady right in this corner, right there. Okay, look at that, how that's turning out. For the moon that we cut out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add it down here. Okay, and that's going to give it sort of like a little nice decorative little look, and we're going to punch the hole right in the center of that. Okay, I'm going to make it a little bit more smaller, just a tad smaller. Okay, and I'm just going to add that right on that area right there. Very simple. Okay, very simple. We're going to add that, and then we're going to punch a little hole so that we can hang our little twine or ribbon or whatever it is that you want to hang from there, as close as you can to the edge. And there you have it. See that? That's just going to give it a pretty little look, and we're going to punch a little hole right there, and that's going to really look fun. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to add the words. So where did I get the words from? The actual card. The actual card, inside it says, "Happy Halloween to one of my favorite free spirit." I love that. So let's cut those out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to go around the wording. I am not going to do anything crazy. Just go around the word, as you can see there. Okay, just go around, just go around, just go around. Don't go crazy, go around, just go around. And there you have it. All right, that's the first word. The next word, to one of my favorite, here, make this short because this is too long, right? So I'm gonna cut, well, here I left my favorite, so let's cut out and leave this part here. Again, very simple. Just go around the wording. Don't go crazy. As you can see there, I am not doing it perfectly. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. That's done. Next one. My favorite. Boom. Boom. That's done. And the last thing, free spirit. And we're basically done with our card, by the way. Well, not card, I'm sorry, our tag. Now, if you think you need to cut more, maybe you left too much of a white border, then go back and cut. Like this one right here, I think I left too much of a white border in this side. So I'm going to go back and I'm just going to get much more closer to the word. And I'm going to cut it. Thank you, baby. Okay, there you go. Boom. Boom. And how are we going to layer? Very simple. Let's layer. We're going to put, like this one says here, Happy Halloween right there. We're going to put to one of right there. my favorite, and then spirit. Okay, boom. Now we're gonna add some add some double-sided tape and dimensions on the back of the word. So I'm gonna cut all these in half because definitely we need them to be tiny. All right, so we're gonna add this back here. That's gonna go there. We're gonna add this one. Back here. Okay. I'm gonna add another one back here. And for the Happy Halloween, we're gonna add 2 because this wording is very big. So we're gonna add 1 here. And we're going to add 1 here. And we're basically done, guys. That's literally all I did. So now I'm going to peel this off. And we're going to place it. You could probably put it like, actually you can even put it like this if you want. Okay, I mean however you want is perfectly fine. I'm gonna put it like right there. All right, then we're gonna place this one right there. Okay, right there to one of my favorite. This one we have to cut a little bit more because it's way too big. It kind of goes right over the wording, so this has to be tinier in size. Better. Right there. And then the last one, Free Spirit. Boom. And there you have it. That turned out so cute. The last thing we're gonna do, we're going to add a little hole right here. We're gonna add our beautiful, gorgeous twine right through. And the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a nice little cute bow to the dress right there. And I have that bow right here that I already made. A little tiny dot of hot glue. I'm gonna add the bow right there. And guess what? We are done with our adorable, super cute little tag. And there you have it. And that, my friend, is how we create these lovely, wonderful, beautiful, gorgeous little tags. Aren't they beautiful? I love them. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make these beautiful tags. I just think these tags turned out so beautiful. They're just so beautiful. So adorable. All right, my beautiful crafty friends, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for your likes. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments. I will see you guys on my next video. Please be safe, and I will see you soon.